How to properly clean out the tank on your sprayer. You will need a 5-gallon pail, gloves, safety glasses, a measuring cup, some running water, and cleaning agent. You will find the recommended cleaning agent on the side of your chemical jug or tote. If not, we recommend you speak to your local agronomist. To start the process, completely drain your sprayer of all its liquid, paying attention to where the chemical will run. Always drain and clean in an area that will not contaminate water supply, streams, or crops. Once your tank is empty, rinse the inside with a pressure washer or garden hose. Then fill the tank up with water and rinse it through the spray boom and wand for about 5 minutes. This will clean out the bulk of your spraying chemical. If you are using the same chemical mixture the next day, flushing the sprayer with just water will be enough. It's now time to shut the pump off and fill the tank once more with clean water. Add the right amount of recommended cleaning agent to your tank of water. Because we are cleaning 2,4-D out of this sprayer tank, we are using regular household ammonia. If you have an agitator inside your sprayer, operate it for 5 to 10 minutes to mix the cleaning solution and water. Otherwise, you can mix it with a clean stick or tool. With the water and cleaning solution left inside the sprayer tank, let it sit for about 8 hours. This will allow the solution to remove any herbicide from the residues, corners, or channels inside the tank. While the solution is sitting in your tank, you should rinse all your nozzles, screens, and filters. Use a bucket filled with water and some of the recommended cleaning agent, in this case, household ammonia. After it has set for 8 hours and your nozzles, etc., have been put back in place, turn your pump on and spray the cleaning solution through your boom and hand wand for about 2 minutes or until your tank is empty. Once your tank is empty, fill it with clean water and give the entire system a complete rinse to ensure all cleaning solution is flushed through. Your tank should now be clean and ready to go.